Hi everybody, it's Amalia and I'm here today with the Oso Inspired collab. This month, for the month of June for Oso Inspired, we're being inspired by me. The Oso Inspired collab is a collab started by Crafty Al, and each month we pick someone that's a crafty card maker, and we copy or get inspired by some of their work. And this month they chose me. I'm so grateful and thankful for Alicia for all of her work on YouTube. And, I was on her Sheetload team. Now I'm on the Oso Inspired team. And thank you to Alicia for getting us all together for these projects. This month, I was inspired by a Oso Inspired that I did in January 2024. And I will show you right here which one that was. This project from January of 2024 inspired me to do another card that was all die cutting. Even the sentiment is die cut. So at the end of this video, if you take a look at the bottom in the description, you'll see a playlist with every video of all the other people in the collab, and you can take a look at how I inspired them and what projects they created. Please do that because they are a great team with a wonderful imagination. I'm really excited to see what everybody created. Now I'm creating a background for my card, and thank you, Past Amalia, for leaving this brick background in my stash. I found it and decided to use it today. And I had a random sponge in my stash with yellow ink on it, so I used the ink that was left over on that sponge and just sponged the color around the edges. And I'm using a spritz that's like a metallic color to grunge up that background a little bit more to go with that brick wall type look. And I'm just drying it off a little bit before I continue. This teacher card is a great card on the subject of inspiration. Who inspires you? Who inspires you today as an adult? And, do you want to give a shout out in the comments below for a teacher that maybe inspired you when you were in school? I'm very happy with the way this is looking, and I'm going to assemble and finish my piece. Don't forget to take a look at the playlist at the end of this video, and please give a thumbs up to this video and comment below. It really helps with the algorithm and getting noticed on YouTube, so I would really appreciate that. I'm having a little fun with this card, and I'm going to add a little wobbler to it. Honestly, I should have added this at the last part because I haven't mounted it to my card base yet. I haven't even mounted it to, my base layer, much less my card base. This card is so much fun to work on. It is 100% dies. Even the sentiment is a die set. And it's great not having to fuss with a stamp and ink. It has its place, of course, and I love working with all mediums. But this just made it so much fun. And, the little die cuts are a little fiddly, but it's okay. They came out great, and I like working with just die cuts. And as you can see from the little container on my left, I made dozens of little die cuts, so I plan on making a set. I like working in multiples. I don't always do it, but most of the time I really do create multiples of cards. And I don't know what that's about. I think it's about being efficient or productive. I give away most of my cards. I donate them to charities and etc. What do you do with your cards? Do you like to make multiples as well? Well, I'm putting the last letter on, and that's it. This card is complete. I love that little wobble on there. It's so fun. I hope you have some fun making some cards and getting inspired by this collab. Please don't forget to leave a comment below, leave a thumbs up, and bye!